myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glimpse from the past, you can see the dark in a frame. You're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the car. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what
Hold on. Good evening. Good evening. It is late, child. It is late. It's past my bedtime, but I am here. Okay. Um. Yeah. So basically, no camera today. No, y'all be all right. I think everybody know what I look like at this point. Tonight we are going to trade the Tokyo Asian session that opens in 1 minute and 29 seconds and counting. Um, sorry, let me. Okay. Let me just make this tiny. Okay, so yeah. So I'm gonna show y'all on my FOREX account because we're using FOREX, which is my small account tonight. And tomorrow when I stream in the morning, I will probably be streaming my futures account. Or I might not stream at all. I might just make a video. I might just make a video. I don't. We'll find out tomorrow. So today my balance is $816, and from the last time I streamed my Forex account, I think I'm down like $80. But I did lose this morning on my Forex account like $300. So I was like at 600, and then I basically got I barely made my money back. I don't know. I didn't do that math right. I know I didn't, but basically I lost a trade this morning and I almost made it back. So I lost in the day. Oh, it doesn't show you. It doesn't show you. Well, I know it was like $50. And if I look in my book, my book tell me $93. Because yesterday my balance was like $909. So boom. Let's get ready to do it. So Tokyo just opened up at 8 o'clock. And you know what I like to do? Is mark up my chart, people. Marking up your chart is the way to go and the way to win. So I'm already irritated with this music. 1 second. I'm gonna leave it. All right, here we go. So basically what I like to do is mark the opening candle. I know that's not it. However, I'm just putting it right here so I can get it ready for when I do what I gotta do. So something told me to go in the buy when I was looking at it before I started this stream, but I just waited. Okay, you're not playing. I knew they was gonna do this. If it passes, okay, this was the little consolidation we was in all morning. Literally from 4 a.m. to 2 p.m. It was just up, down, up, down. So I caught this buy right here. I actually entered like somewhere right here. And I TP'd out up here. That was the entry I took today, this morning. Pretty good, pretty easy. But yeah, let's see what Tokyo gonna do, people. I got a feeling it's gonna keep going up. Would it be crazy if I enter a buy right now? Hell yeah, it would. Why would you do that? This line has been used as a resistance for a minute, so I think Tokyo would break it. It's gonna retest this first and then probably shoot up, or it might not. Oh, if we going through like that, Tokyo, I'm in there with you. Let me see what his candle closed. All right now it's using that fib as support. Y'all don't see the fib, but I do. So I could go in with a small lot with a type stop loss, but this is like that FMMO, fear of missing out, which is FOMO. It runs in everybody. I don't care what nobody say. But the Jesus, that is a nice push. Why not? Would I get in it? Is it too late? That spread is huge. And this is no wick on that candle. So it's destined to keep going up. Oh, it's like a tiny wick. I see the tiny wick. So I think it's gonna come back down and retest right here. But it doesn't have to. But let's just risk it, right? Yeah. I do 20. So I'm gonna take my TP right here because this was like before it shot all the way up. And my stop loss is gonna be tight. I risk $14. No, I do 15. I risk $15 for this trade. And we're gonna watch price do what it do. I don't know if this helped you guys or what. Like I said, I don't really trade this session. So that's why I'm using a small lot size with a tight stop loss because I'm not familiar with how it would move. So we more so just playing it safe. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I see it. And I also stream on YouTube and Twitch as well as Instagram. Because Instagram, when I show, it doesn't, you don't see the whole screen. So if you want to follow and see the bigger screen, just go on my Twitch or my YouTube channel. So if it flips and use Tokyo as support, then it's just going to go up. Oh, my doggy. And this spread was so huge, so irritating. Oh, nah. It's going up. Let me look at the hour time frame. Yeah, Tokyo just did a big momentum push. That looked like a double top. And it looks like it's using this purple line as support, but that is like a candle reversal to me. But it's playing on Tokyo right now, so that's why you do a tight stop loss if you're not sure about what the trade's gonna do. But it looks like a good buy with a stop loss of 2508. I just figured it want to come back and test this. Wait, it did. That didn't get me out? Oh, okay. It's about to. Boom. Out that trade. So we just lost our first trade. But no biggie. We're going to keep going. I typically do 3 trades a day. So that was number 1. So we're going to wait for another setup to see what we can get. This was my box from this morning. And if it shoot down after it just got me out, that's some BS. But that's on me because I had a type stop loss. But still, I think we're going up. Let's see what it do. Yeah, we going up. Up, up, up to our nowhere. Don't do this at home, y'all. Well, it's just past Tokyo. If we go 2511, 46. Yeah. Not a risky trade, child. Nah, it's not going no higher than that before reversal. It might. We'll just move TPs around and stuff. How about that? Take a TP there. My stop loss, I'm setting to break even because I got in super late and it's going to reverse at that purple line a little bit. And we'll set the trail. Yeah. Now it's about to go to this trend line. Oh, it did. All right. So I got in a quick buy right here and it shot up as y'all can see. And it's going to shoot all the way up to that motherfucking lot. Okay, Tokyo. Okay. Okay, Tokyo. Oh, where's my... All right, now we looking for sales. Cause nah, ain't no way. Hold on. It could go up a little bit more. Yeah, boom. This is why you gotta have a stop loss, cause the market moves so fast, and you won't be able to catch it. $44? Oh, that's a bad one. But that's my trend line, so I wouldn't be mad because it's my setup. Tokyo don't be playing. I always said when Tokyo open, it go in one direction and one direction fast. Like, and I know somebody who's in a buy from 2505, I think. Oh, I didn't put a stop loss? What? Okay, like I said, bad trade. I took it too late. I knew it was gonna reverse when it got to my trend line. This trend line is wonky because it's on Trade Locker. Trade Locker is totally different from Trading View. Believe me. Believe me. The 5 minute counter closed in 57 seconds. You know what I like to do when I get in a little profit because that's just how I am. I don't care. Especially if I took a late trade. That's just what I do. It may reverse, but I'm going to get me some money off of it before it close me out. You feel me? That's all it's about. Oh, it's on a yellow line. I bet y'all like, what is... I don't know why it's so small for y'all. What is she doing? Technically, I made some money. You want to be technical with this stuff. Okay, so it got me out that trade. I'm cool with it. This is a little me just trying to scalp my way to profit. But it immediately went that way and then rejected the Tokyo high, or the Tokyo opening. Hold on. Okay. So maybe now it want to test that little liquidity right here that it did. I'm not gonna enter. I'm waiting for confirmation. So what? We had like 3 trades right now. I'm not gonna count a few of those trades. Two 515.69 was like the major retracement area. So if anyone would enter for a sale, I would put it above this line a little bit. If you enter right here, I would have to put it right here because that's a big stop loss compared to if you would have got in right here. So, and then I would take it down to right here. No risk, no worry, right? And if you just don't want to enter it, don't enter it. But that's just what I would do. Ah, fuck. Shoot. Oh, it's going up. Okay, I like it to go up. Oh, I knew he was going to. So you may ask yourself like, oh, it's not doing what I want to do. When should I cut my losses early? You can cut your losses early when it reach this high, match that high, if that makes sense. That's what something I would do. Uh, Depending on your setup. I didn't draw any boxes on here besides this one. This was from yesterday. I mean, earlier this morning. So that didn't count. So maybe I should draw a little box. I'm just taking my boxes that I already had and kind of using them. I don't recommend that. I normally like delete my boxes and start over. Okay. Like this could be a good reversal area, this zone right here, because you see what it did when it touched this. Or just 215.69, 215.69 right here. Yeah, it could be a good reversal area. But because that was just a strong up push from opening, I would wait for another confirmation. But I mean, it do look pretty good for a sale, but that would be a big stop loss. It'll be like right here to like right here to right here. I didn't take this trade. I'm just watching the market right now. It's all just because of that book, big push it did. I think I'm gonna take it. Let me see. I don't want to risk $76 though. So I do $37. That's fine. Yeah, so I took this trade with a smaller lot. I did 0.10 cents just because I'm not familiar with this session and it can reverse and do what they want to do. I just had to do a bigger loss. I mean, a bigger stop loss because this is like my demand zone. And I just want to give it a little room to breathe. However, I think it just breathed and now it's want to go reverse. Because you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to get my money, y'all. I forgot to get my money. I probably can't do it. Okay. So basically, I took like a 50 cents. I don't know. It wasn't even $1 because I did a small lot size and I just set it to break even. Boom. Now I'm out the trade. That's typically how that happens. But if you're not confident with the trade and you think it might reverse on you or you don't want to risk all your money, take some money off of it. If it's in profit $8, take $4. It's okay. That $4 add up every day. Do the math. You do the math because I'm not finna do the math. Mm. But I'm not gonna lie. I feel like it's gonna go down, and I do feel like it's gonna go down. So I might just enter again. It's wicking. It's wicking too much for me. So if I lose this, I'm okay. We're gonna do 0.17, not 0.70, child. What am I thinking? I'd be okay losing this because it's my trade. So this is gonna be the last trade because it's 8:30. I only stream till 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. If we take P, we take P. Take profit. Um, and the 30-minute candle just closed. So let's just watch price do what it do. Make sure people can see. Because this is our last trade. It's 8:30. And I am last trade of the night, people, for the Tokyo session. So it just shows that the point of me doing these videos is to show that you can have a small account. You can grow a small account if you want to without having to get a funded account. You can have $100 to start. You don't need $1,000, $2,000 to trade. Unless you want futures. But we're not doing futures. We're doing Forex. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I supposed to be streaming tomorrow morning, the New Year's session. But would y'all be mad if I don't? But would y'all be mad if I don't? Like for real. Because I hockey don't want to. I might just record a video. Is that okay? I feel like it's okay. I genuinely feel like it's okay. So we'll see how I'm feeling in the morning. I may be live streaming tomorrow, the New York session with my futures account, or I might not. So I got a feeling I'm not. It is what it is. So I'll be quiet and we're going to let the music play and watch this trade on the quiet storm. Oh, I shouldn't say that. I might get copyright. The trade is running in some type of profit, so I'm gonna just go ahead. You know my routine on this small account. I typically don't do this on my futures account, but Forex and they spread be BSing. I was in good profit. Am I looking at this in 5 minutes? Should I just hold this? Okay, so you see we're like $20 something. So we entered at 0.17. So I'm gonna take off 0.12. I feel like that's a good number. And I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even. You know what? I ain't gonna leave it. I'm not gonna leave it to break even. I'm gonna just let it run for the video sakes. For the video sakes, we'll just let it run. The 2511 is a good point because that is the fib retracement golden zone, people. But like I said, you want to keep profit daily, so it don't matter how many trades you want. You know, oh, I want to take 3 trades a day. Well, hold it. Do the lot size you want to do so you can get your money. But if you have a small account, it's going to take longer to grow it because you're going to get margin call if you do 0.80 cents and you only have, they won't even let you do 0.80 cents if you only have like $100 in your account. You can't do that, especially on gold. Other small pairs you can do that with, but gold, you see the value is $2,513. Like, it's a little pricey. So that's why I suggest doing the small lots. But yeah, this was a decent trade. I should have took it on my futures because that was easy money. Thanks for the follow. Juan, is it Juan Hernandez? I know Hernandez, but thanks for the follow, Hernandez, if I'm saying it right. And this, what it just did right here was a little support line. So you're destined to see a little reversal right here. Or not, because go do what the hell they want to do. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Y'all hear my keyboard? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, boom. So this is another thing. We kind of teaching and making money at the same time. So when it does a little retracement area and you're not sure where price is gonna go, and you don't want to just break even and lose money, you can set your entry to trail stop loss. And like I stated in my other videos, trail stop loss basically mean the price is gonna follow. Your stop loss is gonna follow the price as it keeps going down. And if it goes up, it'll just be still. So you can just watch. Just pay attention to this area. But I didn't set to break even, y'all, even though I really wanted to. But I risked the biscuit for $6. What I made? I think I made $40. Don't let me cap on here. Let me see. Okay, I'm big capping. I made $29.98. But I'm not mad. Because I traded this morning. This is okay with me. It's possible. So I just made $30 in a couple of minutes. Maybe an hour. So imagine if you can do like 3 hours of trading. And if you do bigger lot sizes than I did, or if you hold longer than I do, you get what I'm saying? Imagine, just it's possible. And you see in the last 7 days, I made $552. And this is my small account. It's possible. It is possible, people. Um, so I want to show y'all my chart on TradingView on why I entered the sell, because you can't see it on Trade Locker. Hence why Trade Locker is not cool. So I'm gonna just show y'all right here. Boom. Okay. It's a lot going on. That's why I don't show this to the stream. It's a lot going on. So basically, when Tokyo opened, it was right here. This is Tokyo opening. And either Tokyo gonna go down, reject Tokyo and shoot all the way down, or it's gonna go on top of Tokyo and go all the way up, which it did. It went on top of Tokyo and it shot up, which is like, I call it like a liquidity grab, It may not be liquidity. I don't know. It shot all the way up too fast for me. So that means it's going to come down to retest. It's going to retest Tokyo. It has to retest Tokyo. Every time it shoots up in one direction really fast, it will come back and test that zone that it shot fast from. That's just what it does. So, boom, we took the buy. We took the buy like in the middle of this zone somewhere. It was random. We was in a sale right here, and then I saw the fair value gap. That's how I knew. I was like, oh, it's about to go up, and that's what it did. So we lost money on that first trade. Second trade, we took the buy, shot up right here. We took it to our fib line, which was 2511.46, and it got us out because that's where I had my TP at. I think I moved it right here. I don't know. Okay, boom. So I shot up right here, and I have a trend line right here. So I expected a little rejecting, which it did. It gave you these long wicks right here as it's rejecting the trend line. And this is my white fib line. I call this retracement as well. If it's going to retest underneath the bottom of the fib, it's going to go down. Until it breaks the fibs and retest on top, it'll go up. I hope that makes sense. But that's why I entered the sell. So I entered the sale late because like I do, I just always do. But this was a nice position to enter. If I would have had like a pending order, and you can set pending orders, and I will show how to do that probably next week. And I have it going down to this fair value gap, but it may just stop at this yellow fib line right here because that's the retracement zone, or it may just stop at the Tokyo opening. You never know. Regardless, take your money when you see it. That's just how it is. My stop loss, 2516 above that white fib. I don't think I had it all the way up there. We're gonna see. Okay, I had it at 2515. I had it all the way up here. That was too big. But yeah, this the thing about TraderView and Trade Locker. Like, price is different because of the spread, and then it don't give you accurate information. It's just really irritating. So that's why I have this up, but I just don't show this one on stream because many people can get confused or intimidated by all the stuff going on this chart. If it makes sense. So, yeah, that's why I entered the trade, because of my trend line. Because if you look right here, it hit my trend line and it shot up to my trend line. That's the green. And then the red, it shot down from my trend line in 5 minutes. It did that in 5 minutes. So this trend line been kind of cool. I used it this morning and we just used it now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go back to our regular stuff. We're still in this. And it's funny, the Discord I'm in, they put the he said 2505. Yeah, he put this trade in a buy. He said he was gonna take this buy right here. I don't know where his stop loss at. I really don't remember. And he was taking it up there, and I be damn. It did just that. That was a good trade. And so you see that my trailing stop loss is moving down more because price is moving down more. But like I said, this dotted line was like a resistance point. So if it can break it and retest it, it's about to look crazy. I hate. more of a dark color. Girl. So now it broke it. Tested up top. Tried to test up top. And now it's breaking it again. And then maybe test underneath it to shoot down. So it broke it. Test it. Broke it again. Maybe it'll test underneath it. And maybe we can go down. Maybe. We'll see. We got 10 minutes on the stream, so we'll see. Was the arrows helpful? Hi, Hernandez. Do you trade? Are you learning to trade or interested in trading? So another thing you can do as well with the trail stop loss, you see you could click modify order and say you want it to trail a little bit tighter. You can do that. So now it's going to trail from that point, which is right here. And you see the trail stop loss moves down more when the price goes down. That's why trailing stop loss is pretty elite. Futures has it, but I don't trust that crap. Maybe I don't trust it because I be having too many contracts and I just be like, give me all my money now. But yeah, you see prices retesting under that line we created. That's a good sign, people. That's a really good sign. And do you want to see something a little difficult? Boom. This is what it's doing. This is what it is doing. How we feel about it. So it's testing under this fair value gap we have. and it may come to this golden fib line we created. May not. But the point is, we wanted to. And that was a beautiful sale. So if you took it, congratulations. That sounded so fake. No, seriously. And then this is the 30-minute candle. Because that was just a big push, so I got it coming to at least right here. But it may just retest on top of this box. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it. Patience. Patience. And be ready to play this mind game. That's about it. That's pretty much it for this stream. This is just watching price right now. So I think we took like 4 trades or 5 trades live. I used small lot sizes, so it wasn't that big of a deal. Not deal. Don't say that to nigga. It wasn't that much money being made. So I started with $816. Yeah, 800. I started with $816, and now we at 840, and this just counting. So today, just a few, like I said, we made $29.98, and that's with the trades that we took. Is these all the trades I took today? It seems like a lot. Nah, it's not all the trade. That's a $200 loss. That was this morning. Anyway, that's pretty much it, guys. That's it. I will see y'all tomorrow. Maybe I may stream. I mean, I don't know. We'll see how I'm feeling. But I hope everyone, I don't know why that just popped up. I hope everyone have a great night and have a good trading experience and make some money. And just remember, when you see some money, take it, move your stop loss to break even. And it's okay to make that $10, $20 a day. You building until you start getting to that point where you about to do 0.50 lot sizes on gold. Big money. Have a great night.